Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a daily checklist in ClickUp using checklist and task templates. Whether you're trying to streamline your daily routine, stay on top of recurring tasks, or simply want a reliable system to organize your day-to-day work, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, make sure you have a ClickUp account ready. Open your web browser, go to the ClickUp website, and click on the Login button. You'll see the option to sign in with Google, which is a quick and seamless way to access your account. Choose your Google account, and once you're logged in, you'll be taken directly into your ClickUp workspace where all your projects and tasks live. Next, look to the left sidebar and find the three dots icon. This icon gives you access to additional features inside ClickUp. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Templates. This is where ClickUp stores all of its ready-made templates designed to save you time and effort. After that, click on Browse Templates to open the full template library. At the top, you'll notice a search bar. Click into it and type Checklists. This helps you quickly narrow down the results so you only see checklist-related templates, making it much easier to find something that fits your daily workflow. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Review the template preview before using it, think about whether you need a daily or weekly checklist, and make sure the template matches how you actually work. Doing this upfront can save you a lot of editing time later. Once you find a checklist template you like, such as a daily or weekly checklist, click on it to preview the details. If it looks good, click on Use Template. You'll be prompted to rename the template, give it a clear name like Daily Checklist so it's easy to find later. Then click Use Template again to finalize it. Once added, open your new checklist template in your workspace. From here, you can edit existing tasks, add new ones, or customize everything to match your daily routine. After that, you'll be able to reuse this checklist every day to stay organized and productive without starting from scratch. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a daily checklist in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?